Today I will unbox Bob from BeetleJuice. He's so cute. I think this is the best Funko Pop ever I saw. Because he's so funny and cute. There is written, "Hello, my name is Bob." That's so cute here. He's from BeetleJuice. BeetleJuice? Code number 1693. And there are other characters such as BeetleJuice. I have it. BeetleJuice, Lydia Delt, Astrid, Dolores, and Bob. So I think Bob is the most funny one, and I really want to unbox it right now. He has such a funny hairstyle, so I think I won't throw this box away. I mean, the cardboard. So let's unbox this. So cool. Just look at this. This is the rarest and the most strange Funko Pop I ever saw. Yeah. I don't have words about this. This is the best Funko Pop. Oh, so cute. Bob. I didn't watch BeetleJuice, but I really want to watch it because of Bob. Yeah. So cute. Oh, his head. So you can have a look at it. His hair. Oh my god. So cool. So I really recommend you to buy this really funny Funko Pop. I think this is the best for your Funko Pop display. And the really cute Funko Pop. The most cute Funko Pop, I think. Well, also the cutest is from Star Wars, Baby, the Grogu one. So the Baby Yoda. So I hope you liked Bob and watching BeetleJuice. So write comments about if you saw another very cute and funny Funko Pop. And for now, subscribe, like, bye!